Good morning, children. We were learning chapter number 2, integer. Today we'll see part 3 of it. Now let us recall what we discussed. First, natural number used for counting. Second, whole numbers, collection of natural number and zero. Integers, collection of whole numbers means this, and negative number means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Successor and predecessor. If a movement of only one is made to the right, we get the successor of the number. If a movement of only one is made to the left, we get the predecessor. Means from one place, if movement is to the left by one, then predecessor, and right, its successor. Representation of integers on number line. Representation of integer, as we know, will start from 0. Okay, as we'll place 0 at the middle. Right of that 1, 2, 3, 4, these are positive integers, and left of that -1, -2, -3, they are negative integers. Okay, now order of integers. On a number line, the number increases as we move to the right and decreases as we move to the left. Means increasing order will get when we move to the right, decreasing order will get when we move to the left. Let us try this. Compare the following pair of numbers using greater or less sign. Just we have to put greater sign or less sign, depend on the number where is the position of this. Now 0, as we know, 0 is in middle, and -8 to the left of that. So as 0 -8 is in left direction of 0. Okay, in left side of 0, that's why -8 is smaller than 0. Okay, so here we have to place this sign, this sign means 0 is greater. Okay, now here 5 and -5. 5 is on right direction and -5 is on left direction. Okay, so 5 is greater because it's on right direction. Here 0 and 6. 0 and 6. Okay, so 6 is to the right of 0. That's why 6 is greater. So here again this sign. -1, -15. -1 is here and -15 may be on this side. Maybe means if we extend this, then we'll get here -15. Okay, means -15 is to the left of -1. That's why here it comes -1 is greater. Okay, by this we have to check and solve these two. From the above exercise, Rohini arrived at the following conclusion that every positive integer is larger than every negative integer. Means all which are placed in this direction are all greater than in this direction. The number which are placed in this direction are less always than this number. Clear? Next is 0 is less than every positive integer. Now 0 is in place of 0 is here. Okay. If you observe 1, 2, 3, 4, all are positive integers. Okay. So if we say from 1, 2, 3, 4, all are in the right direction. Okay. But if you see 0, 0 is in left direction of all these numbers. Okay. So 0 is smaller than all positive integers. 0 is larger than every negative integer. As we can see, these all are negative integers, and if you start from looking at this, then you can see that 0 is to the right of all these negative integers. That's why 0 is always greater than all negative integers. 0 is neither negative integer nor positive integer. 0 is in middle. Okay, plus sign and minus sign start from here and here. Okay, so 0 does not have any type of sign. Now further a number from 0 on right larger is its value. Means further we can say that whichever number is to the right is having the larger value, and further a number from 0 on the left similar is its value. Further a number from 0 on the left smaller is its value. Means as the number is going in left direction, okay, in left direction, as the value of it is going to smaller and smaller. Means if I write here 100, okay, if the number is 100 and 100 is having negative sign with that, okay, means it will be in this direction. So that's why if 100 or if 1000 number is also there, still the value of that is smaller as compared to -1 also. So do you agree with the give examples? So how can you give some examples depend on this too? Okay, tell me one of examples. I'll give you one example and you have to tell me another one. Okay. 0 from 0 on left smaller is its value. Means if I take 100 and here we know -1. Okay, if I put here negative sign, then this -100, where is the value of -100? Where is the place of -100? It should be in this direction. Yes or no? Okay, means this -100 is far away from this -1. Okay, and -1 is closer to 0. So that's why -100 is a bigger number, but still -1 is greater than -100. Clear? Such examples 1 or 2 you have to tell. Now question number 1. Which integers lie between -8 and -2? Which is the largest integer and the smallest integer amongst them? First of all, -8 is here and -2 is here, and in between that we can see -3, -4, -5, -6 and -7. These integers are lines. Okay, and which is the largest integer and smallest integer among them? So out of this is the which? It is on the left hand side, so it's the smallest or largest? Smallest integer. Okay, and as this is to the right hand side, so it's the largest integer. Clear? Now next is one button is kept at -3 on -3. In which direction and how many steps should be moved to reach at -9? If I place my position on -3, then how many steps I have to move to get -9? So one step, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth step. Here it may be -9. Okay, so the answer is 6 steps. Towards, in which direction? Towards left. Okay, now which number we will reach if we move 4 steps to the right of -6? Now minus 6 is here. 4 steps to the right. 4 steps to the right. From here I start 1, 2, 3 and 4 steps. So I'll get here minus 2. Clear? Exercise 6.1. Question number 1. Write opposite of the following. Increase in weight. So what is the opposite of that? Decrease in weight. Now 30 kilometer towards north. Okay. So opposite of that opposite of north is south. Okay. So 30 kilometer to south. Now see 80 kilometer east. So what is the opposite of that? 80 kilometer to west. Loss of rupees 700. So profit of rupees 700. 100 meter above sea level. So 100 meter below sea level is opposite of that. Now question number 2. Represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate signs. Number A. An aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground level. As it's above the ground level, so above means positive. Okay. So which sign here we can indicate? Plus sign. Okay. Now next, a submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below sea level. As it's below sea level, below means negative. Next, a deposit of rupees 200. As we are depositing to it means our credit rates. Okay, so in that case, whenever there is a deposit, at that time plus sign is there, and whenever there is withdrawal, at that time negative sign. So D is on withdrawal only. Withdrawal of rupees 700. So withdrawal means minus of what? 700. Now here 200. So it's a plus 200. Now here write the answer properly. Here number 3. Represent the following number on number line. First, plus 5. First of all, you have to draw the number line. Okay, mention all plus here and negative sign here. After that, plus 5. Where is plus 5? If sign is not there, still it is positive. That's why it's a plus 5. Then minus 6 here. Plus 8, it may be here. Okay. Minus 10, it may be minus 9 here. Besides that, minus 10. And minus 1 is here. So do that in your copy. Question number 4. Adjacent figure is a vertical number line representing integers. Observe it and locate the following points. See here, the alphabets are given to us in the vertical manner, and here plus 8 is the value of this, means the placement of this D. Okay, so we have to now solve this. If point D is plus 8, if point D is plus 8, then which point is minus 8? As we start counting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means in the upward direction, if plus sign is there, then in the downward direction, there is negative sign. So after 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. So at the place of F, there is a point -8. So here may be a point -8. Now if is point G a negative integer or a positive integer? Is the point G is negative integer or positive integer? Now let us see where is the place of G. Place of G is down to 0. Okay, means here we know that all negative numbers are there. So the place of G is -6. Here is -7, here is -6. Whether it is positive or negative? Negative. Number C. Write integers for point B and E. Now point B is here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the integer on point B. Now E. Here is E, as here is -8. Here should be -9 and here should be -10. So point E on which integer? -10. D. Which point marked on this number line has the least value? Which point marked on this number line has the least value? Which point is there? As we know that negative sign is the biggest number, with negative sign is the least number. Okay, so here -10 number line has the least value. Here E point has the least value. Now arrange all the points in decreasing order of value. So how we can arrange it in decreasing order? Decreasing order means smaller to bigger or bigger to smaller? Bigger to smaller. So bigger, as +8 is bigger, then here +7. Likewise you have to write all the points. Okay. Now here in E we have to arrange all the points in decreasing order of value. So we have to arrange all these points. So first point is 8, second is C, B, A, H, G, F and E. Like this we have to arrange it in decreasing order. Clear children? All these questions till question number 3 you have to write in your pair copy. Draw all the diagrams and do it properly.